Here you go. This is the RV. As you see right now, we're gonna go check it out inside. Very nice trailer. It's an old school trailer. It's like probably like a 19, I think he said 1955, something like that, or around there, around the age of that. See, it has a little like moss on the top. Doesn't matter though, because everything could get cleaned, and you know we're maintenance workers, so we can fix anything, right? We has it right here. Very nice house for a long time. And good thing now, he actually sold it to me, so we're gonna try to rebuild it, try to fix it, trying to see if we can get it transferred to our papers. Today, unfortunately, we were gonna make an appointment, but we got late, so we're not gonna be able to do it today. We have to reschedule. But check it out. This is it. There you go. Heavy trailer. Big trailer. Oh, look at that. Now this is like a 30-feet trailer. Nice trailer. Very good. Little rust, but that's because it's old, right? Years old. Check it out on the bottom. Very nice. Wheels intact. Everything's been here. Originally, the story was it's been here for since their father. Man, cool. Check it out. Very nice. Got original wood. Everything's still good intact. That's supposed to be a fan. Very nice. Look at the space on this one. Super spacious. You can put like a couch, a bed. Has electrical outlets, so it's pretty like updated. They have updated it. These people, they're maintenance workers themselves, which is pretty great. So they maintained it, and it's been like a little water damage. Like I've been here one time before already, but it showed me around. Everything was clean, organized. Some things might be original, some things might not be original. I see a stove. It's an old school stove. Pretty cool. Now when it comes to these RVs, you want to keep everything probably original, but I mean, if it is gonna go bad either way, so it's better to fix it. No worries, good. See right here, it looks like it was the bed. You put a bed, so you got the living room right there, you have the bedroom, and then you have the washroom, the bathroom, right? Very good. Then you put an original toilet right here, which is very cool. And I'll show you the outside because their dad actually hooked up the water system. Just look at that. Very cool. We got the piping right here. Water pipe right there. And that water pipe actually leads to the bottom of the trailer. That actually supports everything. Check it out. There's a tub right here. Very spacious. Yeah, I almost fit right here. Pretty cool. Very cool. Now this is a 30-foot trailer. Everything's original. Everything's intact. Very good. No termite damage, which is good. Many houses have termite damage right here. This trailer is not even touching the floor. Very good. You got the cabinets here. Bam. And again, you got electrical outlets. Look how old this is. So probably like 80s, probably 70s, 60s. Electrical outlets. Pretty cool. You got the door right here. There's actually close it, you can't open it, which is good for safety. Has a little lever here. Lock. You can unlock it. Let's see what you unlock it actually. See it? Oh no, it's closed. It's actually closed to the wood, which is good for safety. So you have two doors. This door and then that door right there, which is good, the main door, which works. So already rebuilding it, remodeling it, you're already thinking, look at this closet right here. Spacious for the fridge or something. Or you can put the fridge right here actually. Check it out. Already you have all this space. Good. 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom with its own door and a bathroom. The 30-feet trailer, it's amazing, right? It's a must buy. They got a great deal with this. Like another closet right here. This one slides, I think, or opens. Actually, somehow, some way. Not sure, but look at that. You got space right here for another room. Not bad. Little water damage right here, but I mean that's very common with today's trailers. Like I've been checking out a couple of trailers online. All this water damage is for everything. They say every time they're trying to sell it, get a new roofing or whatever, patch or whatever. Yeah, but everything seems good. You got the windows right here. The electrical, I was like noticing the electrical. It was 40 years, so that means already obviously the electrical has been here, right? It wasn't remodeled for the electric. Okay, so there you go. This is it. Very cool. So see, you can hook everything up. You can put, I'm already thinking you can put like little lights right here, like LED lights, light it up, remodel it, change the wood. Good deal, man. Good place. See the tiles? old school tiles. You know, you kind of want to keep the old school tiles sometimes. It's pretty cool. And it's the wood. I mean, little fixer. You know, fixing it. You always fix it. But yeah, very cool, man. Very cool RV tile. You got the original tile. Maybe this looks already like model tile. Very good. Very cool. Tell me what you guys think. See if you guys like it. See if you guys could definitely buy it. I say yes. This is a must buy. Pretty nice. Go fix the uppers and just look at the space. You can literally fit like a whole bed, whole king size bed right here. Very cool. No problem. Let's shoot the outside. Alright, let's go. Cool. So you see the outside? Original laminate, or what is it? Metal, huh? Or aluminum, original aluminum. Very good. This window's still intact, which is super cool. You know, many windows right now is freaking broken. You gotta replace them, but this one's pretty cool. I'm gonna go around in a second. Cool. You got the fan right there. Yeah, we got all that. Bam. Alright. Check it out. Very nice pictures. Very cool. These are all good. And yeah, so basically the process right now is that I'm going to highway patrol, trying to get it transferred to my name. When it's able to transfer my name, I'm able to haul it out of here. And the owner is being very cool with us. He got us new tires, like they were pointing out before. New tires. So this is new tires. He gave me a receipt right here, which is pretty cool. He gave me the figures because it's hard to find. I tried researching and it was very hard to find. So this was total $627. But we got new tires. So that means we can haul anywhere we want to go. We need a little bit of more air, but we can haul anywhere. So it's cool. Rims, a little rusted. We can clean that out. Hopefully it doesn't give out on us, because as he was telling us also, the rims are specifically to these tires only, specific to this trailer only, and to how the mechanisms works. Right now, if it's different, if I get a different RV, like a car rim and tire, it's not gonna work. I actually need a specific rim for this one. So we have to keep this information. Try to get this rim. If not, we have to find another replica in case it actually breaks. But I don't think it'll break. The chassis looks good. Everything looks good. Axles look good. As soon as we're able to check if it rolls, it rolls. And obviously if it gets to the inspection, it's gonna roll. It's good. No matter what, I want to get this RV, which is super cool. Super cool because we got all this space, right? Super spacious. We can do whatever we want, transform it. And we were talking before, these RVs, like if you fix it, he even said you gotta use a 5 or 10,000. I've seen RVs they're trying to remodel, trying to make from scratch. They're like from the 60s. Obviously, it's gonna be brand new parts, but it's like oval, and those go for like 40,000. So if you actually fix it, you can get good money. But it's just like if you want to just keep it, I mean, it's amazing. It's super spacious. Other RVs that we're gonna see and check, they're much smaller. And this one is like a full apartment, which is cool. Alright, so that'll be it for this little journey. Take you around one more time. Check it out. Alright, check it out. Look at the pipes. We can put the gas pipes right there, which is good. I'm not so sure about the gas piping. It might be kind of dangerous. Never tried propane piping like that, especially on the road. But I'll probably keep the pipes inside, or I'll go electrical. Hopefully with the generator, because I don't want this RV to blow up like I seen other RVs in the street. But you see right here, we got piping right here. This is not probably from the RV, but we can put it. We went around. I'll show you guys one more time. So the owner's dad actually kept it here for 40 years, and they actually put all the piping system. So you see right here, this is drain. They actually connected to the house drain, which is super incredible, because honestly, where are you gonna dump all the bad water, all the bad things from the toilet, right? You have to bag it up or something, or put in a tank and then dump the tank. But since you're in a house, they actually connected the drain pipe to the house, which is like a regular toilet from the house. So it's super cool. Every time you flush the toilet, went to the drain system, drain pipe, and flush it out to the street, right? Amazing. You know, that's what you gotta do. Like if you want to put it in the property, which is super cool. Now you put it right here. You see another drain pipe right there, and then you got the water system. So the water system actually went up, and he kept it because obviously I could hook it up to anything. now I can hook it up to a hose water. That hose fit right there, I can hook it up and it could do the same thing. But they actually had it connected to the water because they had an own proper room. Super cool, right? So this is an old, this was a room with this one, which was, I mean, great. In the future, I'm gonna show you guys another little art trailer that I seen. It's also connected. It's a little more modern, but this one as the best idea, because I mean, this one shows an example of how I can hook it up in my own house or in any other property, and rather than a trailer having a tank to dump it on the street, which takes a lot of labor. But this is it for this journey. Hopefully you guys like it, because I like it, and hopefully I can actually transfer it to my name, because I want to take it already. I want to remodel it. All right, so until the next video, thanks and stay tuned.